Good afternoon, everybody. Welcome to day 2 of vlogmas. Currently out taking Ralphie out for a nice little walk before it gets too dark. It's actually really cold out here today. I wish I'd put my hat on because my ears are absolutely freezing and my nose feels like it's going to fall off as well. Also, if you can hear little tractor noises going on in the background, they're busy doing stuff in the fields. I am not going to lie, I haven't actually planned what I want to get done today. Yesterday ended up being quite a productive day in the end. Usually Sundays are my day off. Perhaps I should start working on Sunday because for some reason I ended up being really productive yesterday. But yeah, I managed to get quite far on my little fox and robin painting. It's so close to being done. I still want to do a little bit more work to it. But yeah, it's getting to the point where it is nearly done. Not gonna lie, I do have difficulty deciding when different pieces of work are finished. Sometimes it basically just happens because I get fed up with painting on it and want to move on to something else. Not gonna lie, it's getting very close to being done. It probably just need to spend maybe another hour or so on it, just adding a few more stars and things. Still need to do quite a bit of video editing today. Obviously I've just sat this morning and edited yesterday vlogmas stuff. That's currently doing its first little render. The only issue is because obviously there's a lot of times when I had to speed up paintings and stuff. It sometimes takes a couple of times before I get the clips so that they're short enough and fast enough. I'll probably have to do another edit and render of my little vlogmas from yesterday, but I can do that a little bit later on when I'm doing some more video editing. As I was saying, I haven't really planned out what I'm actually planning to do today. I'm probably going to do that when I get back from taking Ralphie out. I should really probably plan out the whole week, to be honest, but not gonna lie, I never really 100% stick to that anyway. I just kind of write a list and then tend to end up ignoring the list and doing something completely different. Yeah, once I get back from taking Ralphie out, probably will sit and try and plan a few things and figure a few things out for today and for the rest of this week. Then making a cup of tea and then I think we'll probably get on with doing a little daily doodle. I want to do a little penguin daily doodle I think today, because I feel like a penguin because I'm all freezing and cold. Very muddy out here. Ralphie, please don't pull me through the puddle. But yeah, let me get on with this walk and then I'll see you back in my room ready to do some work for the day. Oh yeah, please ignore the state of my hair as well. I know it all looks a little bit like lion maney. Tends to go a little bit lion maney when it's all cold out. I'll sort it out when I get back into my room. Not gonna lie, I don't think I've timed this very well, this walk today, because I'm about to get absolutely drenched. There's a really dark rain cloud and it's just started raining, but I've got my head on, so it's alright. Come on, Ralph, let's get back home quickly. Ew, muddy. Penguin daily doodle for today. I'm probably going to do what I've done yesterday and paint that a little bit later on before I do any proper work, because I kind of leaving doing the painting bit to a bit later on, so it's a little bit of a warm up before I do my proper work, and also because I'm hungry and I want to get some dinner done. So I think for my dinner we are going to make pitta bread pizzas. I think they're quite a quick little dinner to make. So yeah, what else do I need for my little pitta bread pizzas? So I've still got my pitta breads, a couple of tins of tomatoes, some tomato puree, a mozzarella cheese, salt, pepper, thyme in it as well. First things first, I need to just lightly toast the pitta breads. after having my dinner. I've also just been sitting doing quite a bit of video editing again, but I didn't really think it was that interesting to show in this vlog, just me sitting there looking extremely bored at my computer, trying to get my computer to behave and trying to get some videos edited. Just finished editing my vlogmas from yesterday. I'm just trying to get it to upload now onto YouTube, although I think it's going to take a while because my internet is being slow, so don't be surprised if it actually ends up being posted first thing tomorrow morning. I've got my reindeer pyjamas on as well because it's once again freezing in here. I'm going to have to ask Dad to see if he can sort out the heating. Now, I'm not going to lie, I think today is going to run away with me a little bit today because it's already quite late on in the evening. As I say, I've just spent quite a bit of time editing videos and stuff like that and having a bit of a nightmare with my computer keep crashing and stuff like that. I still want to get on with some work tonight, so I'm going to sit and probably paint my little penguin doodle. Here he is, my little penguin friend. I think I've just about got enough white paint left to actually paint him. I have just sat and ordered some more white paint and hopefully that'll be arriving by Wednesday, so might find tomorrow might be a bit more of like a sketching day rather than an actual painting day. I'll see how much paint I can scrape out of my paint tube. But yeah, so I'm going to sit and get this little penguin painted, and then hopefully if I'm still going and haven't run out of steam, I can get on with filming a separate little art video, but I'll talk about that more once I've sat down my little penguin. So that's my little daily doodle done for today. I actually think it turned out proper cute. He's such a little cutie pie, this little penguin. It's actually made me really want to paint like a big panoramic full of different penguins. I do actually have a spare panoramic canvas, so I might end up like at some point in the future, I might end up like doing like a little penguin panoramic. Maybe I could do it on actually a live stream. So that might be my next live stream project, is to do like a nice little penguin panoramic because they are absolutely adorable. I do love penguins, and actually it does make me really as well want to make some little needle felted penguins or some little spun cotton character penguins. That might be on my list of things to do building up towards Christmas. I just like the fact that he looks like he's looking off somewhere as though something's caught his eye. He's a little cutie pie, and actually spent a bit more time focusing on painting his feet properly as well, because obviously the donkey feet yesterday didn't end up particularly great. So yeah, I spent a bit more time focused on painting feet. So next up, I need to obviously clear my desk down because it's covered in paint brushes and paint and stuff. So I need to get that cleared down. And then let me just quickly check how my video is uploading. I've still got like another hour and 11 minutes yet to upload, so I think I'll end up sorting that out first thing tomorrow. I think what I'm going to do next is obviously clear down my table a little bit, and then I'm going to get set up to continue filming a video that I started. Talk to you that in a minute once I've cleared down the table. Okay, so I'm now getting set up to sit and do a little bit of video filming. So I've been working on a little video where I've been basically been trying to learn how to do wood burning and pyrography. I've been working on this little pyrography practice board. It's like a little practicing session, so I've been like exploring different marks you can make using wood burning tools, and then I've been building up to doing a few little doodles and with some shading and stuff in. So yeah, hopefully in the not so near distant future you'll actually be seeing this video, so I'm not going to tell you too much about it. I'm going to carry on hopefully filming this tonight. Obviously I don't feel like I need to do much more practicing, but what I do need to do is actually start kind of designing some little ideas.